Hello, this is Brian again. Welcome to part 2 of my little hill climb here in the Santa Ana range, just above Main Divide Road North Main Divide. Ooh, steep. I'm just trying to climb up to this knoll, see if there's anything cool up there. Been wanting to check out some of these knolls for a while. My last clip was talking about trying to climb San Ysidro Mountain in San Diego County, not the one near Otay Mountain and San Ysidro border crossing. San Ysidro and it borders Anza-Borrego Desert State Park, the 6,147 foot peak. So, doing this little cross-country scramble up this hill, trying to see what I can find up here. It's kind of a steep climb, I'll tell you. I'm parked way down there, almost level with that hill right there. But this is starting to get pretty steep. I'm sure some of the climb up San Ysidro is going to be like this, I bet, only with more brush. Going down this is going to suck. Not gonna lie. This thing is wicked steep. Whew. It's kind of warm out today too. Thought it was gonna be cooler today. Feels like it's in the mid-70s right now. So yeah, a little salty about my failure of even starting the hike up San Ysidro Mountain. A little salty about that, but man, could have started later and risk having to go down in the dark. I'm not gonna lie, this fire break here, whatever you want to call this, is really steep. I think I made a mistake trying to go up this. Starting to get loose up here. I was going to try to climb this hill right here and see what I can find. There's not even a place to grab onto rocks, so this is somewhat technical in a way. It's very, very loose soil coming up here. Not a lot of chaparral shrubs to grab a hold of. A lot of times I can grab hold of a branch of a chamise or something and usually be okay, but try and step up closer to where there's vegetation on the ground. Ooh, it's kind of a beastie climb. Yeah, nice views towards the El Salvador area. Kind of tired after lots of driving today. Lots of driving. Normally just to come here is a quick drive, but first try going all the way to San Ysidro Mountain, which is way out there. Alright, maybe I'll try to find a different descent route. Alright, it's getting a little rockier up ahead, so maybe it won't be so bad. Maybe these rocks will help a little bit. There we go. It's a lot of work for a small mountain climb, but it's been sorely lacking in my life lately. Probably an alternative descent route. This is just too insane for me. Going up is rough enough. Going down, this is going to be really rough. That's certainly a steep climb. Right down there is where I'm parked. Also did a spotlight video on the thickleaf yerba santa, which is covers a lot of this area. A lot of these lighter grayish green shrubs, those are yerba santas. Side hill or bushwhack? I think a slight bushwhack would probably be a better idea, because it's very bald on the other side of this slope here. Whew. For a short climb, this sure ain't no joke. Probably been good to have whatchamacallit, ski poles or trekking poles. One thing's for sure, I don't think I'm going to be filming this on the way down. I need to watch every precarious step I take. I don't even know if this is really a fire break, actually. This is just me walking up a slope. Whew. Almost up here. Whew. Whew. Definitely higher than that little guy. It's good views down towards the Long Canyon area, Elsinore Peak. Whew. Talk about the San Ysidro Mountains. It must be one of those. So there's Palomar's Ridge way off in the haze. One of those. That might not be it, but might be near San Ysidro. I don't know how easy it is to see from these other spots. Here's a fire break. The rest of this should be relatively tame, I think. At least I set foot on dirt today, besides the dirt around my car when I got stuck. It's the third time I've got stuck since March of 2019. It's kind of irksome. There we are. Should have brought my water with me. Very large Rusovada sugar sumac. It's a nice big one. However, the ones I saw near Ranchita were massive sugar sumacs there. Twice as large as that. Very tall, very old growth shrubs. I don't know the elevation of this one, but I'm going to assume it's between 31 and 3,300 feet. Probably closer to 3,200 feet. Started out at just barely above 3,000 feet at the bottom. Well, here's the top. Woo! Sweaty little climb getting up here. There's Main Divide over there again. Snaking its way towards Blue Jay Campground. This was a gnarly little climb. I wonder if I can go down the backside of this and more easily get to Main Divide, so I don't have to go down that insanity. It's a cool little peak. I think I will make a third video. I'll see you in clip number 3.